Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing of a job lot from eBay, Evil Bay, and it's railway stuff, so we will just go for it. Dive in. We have the paper. I did that to be super annoying. Just go slowly, check there's no correspondence in here. No, not appears to be. Oh, what we got wrapped in bubble wrap? We've got curve points, a steel track, Cole Hans in a switching mechanism like that for a long time. We'll leave that to one side then. We've got a bit of there's a bit of 2-rail put on a Hornby Double O base. Won't be safe, won't it, chat? You've got some easy water. That alone pays for the box. Heat and pour, reheat to shape. So yeah, I can put a water feature on here somewhere on the board. You got a little triangle box here. Probably empty. Yeah, it's empty. You've got the instructions though, but that's a little bit of history. I need to set my desk back up. Yep, so we've got that. We have a Pico water tower, which you may already see. I've got one on the layout. So that's a spare. We've got a, what the fuck is this? Oh, track pins. Loads of track pins in there. That'd be useful. We've got probably, what does that mean? That's the inside of a signal box, isn't it? That we think. It could be raised track stage. Yeah, it's raised track pillar. Not useful at the moment. Horrible fucking plastic. You can see the track map underneath. Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's the second one of them. Let's just undo this horrible plastic bag. And we will go into what we got in here. We have an uncoupler. We have a roof on the brake van. We have a metal footbridge, well, the steps up to it, as I've covered up my mic. We have the other side. We have a bit of a plastic ones. We have some decals, railway posters. We have a buffer. All useful already. Automatically useful. It's broken in the middle. A bit of Gorilla Glue to sort that out. We have an old power clip. We have a fake signal. No, wait, that's a raising arm. That's a crane from something. We have a bogey. We have half a tanker wagon. We have a tree base. We have another buffer. I'll just reposition everything. We have the knob of a controller. We have a weight from a tender or a wagon. We have some trees old tree. I might actually put that on the layout in a minute. That might go on the layout now. We have some beer barrels. Oh, they could go on one of my wagons. Yes. Fish plates. We've got a level crossing gate. We've got that's a base of a water tower. That's a telegraph pole. A bit of plastic. Power cables. Another weight. Probably decals again. Maybe, but they're faded to buggery. We have a trailer with no tyre. We've got the station thingy. More wires. More wires. More wires. We have a policeman. Hello, I'm a policeman. Hello. Put that up there. We've got a bench. That might go on in a minute, actually. We've got lovely a base of a bridge and another telegraph pole. More wires. Camera knot. We've got a lid. We've got a level crossing barrier. We've got a load of people. Railway workers. We've got more plastic for something. Wonder if it's a footbridge. Might be a footbridge. We've got another controller knob. Another uncoupler. Bit of ladder. More wires. But I'm going to get this bag out of here. More wires. Another buffer stop. Bit of a crossing. Another water tower. A pulley and some wagon load, maybe? We've got a person that looks constipated. That looked like a bit of a loco, that boy, that barrel. But he's probably not. Yeah, it's just random scenic stuff in here. If you look, all random scenery stuff. All quite useful in a way. Depends on your layout. But yeah, I've just ran out of patience to take it all out. We've got some people on a bench, so that could go on the layout right there. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Random sneeze. Anyway, if you like what you see, I now have a Ko-fi, so leave a donation. I've put the link in the description. So leave a donation. It'll help support the stream, and I could do more random crap like this, buying random loads from eBay. And I'll see you in the next video. Do all that usual stuff. like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.